So now we are training, we are using TPT run and TPT test, but in real time it use TPT build. Okay, so what it going to do? It going to run the models, going to the test, going to do the snapshots, going to run the seeds. Okay, so in intro they will ask what is the difference between DBT run and DBT build. DBT run will run the all models, but DBT will run all the models, all the tests, all the snapshots, or if any the seeds. It will run everything. So that's what this DBT build command. So it's running test. Okay. We have some error. That's why it's not running. This is not my first DBT model ID. Okay. That we have example models, right? So that's what it's showing the errors. Okay. So these, as you can see, all pass. Okay. My first debit model order incremental stage customers stage order stage like unique my first debit model ID will going to run the all the models test snapshot seeds. Remember they will ask like what is the difference between dbt run and dbt build. Okay, so next topic, uh, seeds. So seeds source. So already we know about sources that schema.yml file, how to give source like that. Okay, this ones we already done this one. Defining schema of conformal tables. Okay, that table schema name database names. Okay, tables we already defined. Okay, now see about this one. Seeds are nothing but we can convert CSV files into tables in the Snowflake. As a table in the Snowflake. I'm taking different. So I'm taking files. Okay. So this is CSV file. I have this data. Okay. I'm copying this data. OTTT. Okay. So there is seeds folder we have. Seeds folder. Okay. We need to give. Okay. I'm giving one data. So dot CSV we need to give extension is dot CSV create. So page in the content. Okay. You can see these seeds. Okay. Save. Okay. So this one preview selection we don't have here. So now I'm running the dbt seed command. dbt seed dbt seed. Okay. No data. Now checking the Snowflake or refresh. So it created as table. Okay. Select. No data. See, we can convert CSV files. We can load into the Snowflake as a directly tables within the warehouse. Okay, so that's why DBT is ELT. Okay, so everyone used to say only for the transformations. Okay, we need to say like that only transformation. If the question come with stress, uh, can it do like can it extort or load? Yes, it will. It can extort or load also using seeds. Okay, remember it also do extract and load, totally transformation, extract and load. Okay, CSV files, remember this bit, that is the seeds concept. Okay, so id names are created. Suppose what I'm doing. Okay, I'm changing here. Okay, I'm removing okay one this one. Save. I'm running again. Same DBT seed. It's going to run all the seeds. Suppose if I have want to run specific DBT seed hyphen hyphen select. Okay, DBT seed hyphen hyphen select. Then that seed name. Okay. Now we are going to do. So it's throwing the error. Okay. So remember. Okay, not going to create it. We need to. It should be like proper data we need to have. Suppose I'm completely deleting this header. Without header, I will try. Without header, if you try, even it will throw the error. Okay, so it's throwing the error. Remember. Okay, we need to have the header and everything. So this one say, and I'm going to stage orders. So I'm copying the it's created table, right? So I'm trying to create like okay like view. I'm using config block here. Same. Okay. It won't take the config block. Okay. It also throw the error. Okay. We need to have everything and we can't apply anything config block. Okay. On the seeds file. Now I can run dbc. So if I can select specific one. Now check, okay, it's created a table, okay, table only. So now I'm writing the show tables. So models, okay, and others are everything created as transient table, but you can see it's created table. It is a permanent table, not a transient table. Remember, okay. So using seeds, we can create the permanent table. So through models, it go and create a transient table. It's the difference. So seeds, clear, right? Let's can we move to next topic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now, now we have like Jinja, or Jinja code templates we're going to use. Okay. Uh, these are like three are okay. One is like Jinja templates. You know, we can apply if else conditions. Okay, we can print the data. So we have like a Python code. Okay, if you know Python code, we can do it well. Okay, like but with SQL also we can do it. No issue. No need to learn Python for this one. Okay, so this is the code like we are compiling in SQL. Jinja templates we are compiling in SQL. So there are three types Jinja pieces. Okay, one is like curly percentage for statements we're going to use statements. So curly for expressions and both curly and for this curly and as keyword for comments. So this is for statements, expressions, and comments. Okay. So now what I'm going to do. So this is first one model I'm going to create. So my model that's SQL. Here we have statements, expressions, and comments. Okay, these are changed. Okay, I'm choosing one file. Okay, my model dot SQL create. Okay, so the code. So this is the code. Okay, Okay, again code. Okay, so here, so I'm setting like curly in percentage with a set person equal to curly braces opening a set. This is a syntax. Okay, so curly percentage set person equal to, I'm assigning some values to him. So name me and his number me. Okay, name Madhu and a number something. Okay, I'm giving mobile number. So assigning two values, name and Madhu, and number. Okay, this one I'm assigning the values. So here I'm selecting the data. Okay, select single quotations, again in single quotations, person dot name as a person name. It means person dot name, it will take like this. Okay, so person dot name means, so from the person dot name, okay, it's going to be as a person name. Okay, so again, in this code, okay, we remember this curly braces, single quotation in between curly braces. So between we going to person dot name, so as alias name person name, and then again curly braces here come. Okay, curly braces person dot number as a person number. Okay, so this is the code of variant. Okay, I'm saving, you can see, check the preview. Okay, so giving like table person name Madhu, and uh, again person number, this mobile number. Okay, so like this it's giving. So next, now again I'm running on dbt run hyphen hyphen select. Okay, copy the path. Okay, and refresh. So it is going to create as model, not a, okay, see, same, select start from my model. See, so person name, person number, we are getting. Suppose here I am going to do some changes. Here you see, we can, if you are changing the value after running, it's going to change. Okay, suppose I'm changing the mobile number or name, it's going to change in that value. Okay, so I'm assigning set person equal to curly braces in between only name, mother, number, phone number. Okay, so I'm going to give like one more. Okay, uh, salary, salary, and in com, and I'm giving you some, okay, some salary, and again I need to write here. Okay, so this is a string value, single quotations used. Okay, name, phone number, for numeric data we don't use single quotations. That's why here this is single quotation, we don't have single quotation. Okay, this is also salary, no need the single quotation. And see person dot, from the, it will fetch, first it will check the person, from the what it going to fetch, salary. Okay, so same I'm like giving as alias name salary. Okay, see, save, you can check the preview. Now it's going to give the uh, course salary.
You missed the comma after person number.
Okay, okay, just come. Okay, this one save, and now preview. string. This is okay, spelling mistake. Okay. So everything is fine. Zero, zero, zero.
In same in top also after number comma
Okay.
value.
So take the preview to this one. Okay, we can get three columns and data. So same absolutely if you run same thing. Okay, if we run, it's going to create again three columns. It's going to operate like three columns in the Snowflake. Okay, this one. Now we have. Okay, if you're going to change the values after running the model, it's going to change the values also. Okay, so this is first how to assign. This is my simple one model. Okay, that is like we can fetch. In Python we have code. We a equal to in brackets we will provide 1, 2, 3, 4. That is okay variable, and 1, 2, 3 the values. A is a variable. Here like that person is the variable, and those are okay. Those are values like that. Okay, this one. And this is we know about like list and indexing. So about that one, do you have idea about list and indexing? Create one file. I'll show you this. My list model. Okay, I'm explain. Okay, save. So list means, so suppose my I'm giving Madhu. This is my name. Madhu. Okay. Next, here I'm giving. I'm counting. Okay. This is one. M is a zero is a M. Okay. M is a zero. Then after A is a one. This is two, and after three and 4. This is way of counting. 0, 1, 2, 3. It will take 0M, 1A, 2D, 3H, 4U. This is in this order. From this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Written 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From at 1, use the 1, H2, D3, E4, M5 like that. So this is we can call like indexing. Okay. We have the to counting numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 and so it always start with 0 from left side. From right side it always start with 1. Okay, so here I'm giving curly percent set self. I'm giving the equal brackets. Okay, these values me and myself. So always remember curly percentage in between set. This key set is a keyword, and self is a name. You can use anything, and me myself. Okay, then after that from self again single quotation. Okay, we are using, and uh, self of 0 it going to fetch me. Okay, me. I'm not using one. This is one value, take one, this two, like that will take. So check the preview. Self as the first item. Okay, me. It means it taking 0. Suppose I'm giving 1. Okay, so I explained about, and I'm taking in my name Madhu, but here it take this is 0, this is 1, like that it will take. Again preview myself. Okay, together 1. So here I'm deleting me. I'm giving the numeric value. Okay, and see preview. So it going to accept this one. Even we can insert data, right? Even if you want it. Now I'm checking the preview. Okay, it will throw the error myself. Okay, so sorry, some mistake error. I need to give 0 here. Now fetch the data. It should fetch the 1. Okay, first item. I'm reviewing this currently. This one, I'm fetching this one. So that is numeric one, right? So without single quotation, it get to fetch. Okay, for string values, we're going to use string values, but even over can accept the numbers also, right? That's why it's giving. Okay, so this one set self one myself. This one we can give multiple values. Okay, here uh, new this
String.
string. Okay, so we can use this. Same code we need to try in different formats. Okay, then only we will get one proper idea. Suppose if I give for one here, will throw the error. By giving us we need to use the okay. So use the single quotations. See this one. But don't say just say having on the knowledge. Okay. So really like who knows Python and those and so very seniors they're going to use the Jinja. Okay. So creating models. Concentration on that models, test, incremental, and the snapshots. This one, okay. So even I'm using um, the- take the break. So now it's going to first item two, and first item three, and again we can change. I'm giving in reverse order 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm giving 4, 3, 3, and 2. Okay, actually this is 0, 1, 2, 3, but here uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, confirm. Okay, so first item null. Okay, second item u and 3. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so throwing a null value. Okay, no first, there is no first item. Okay, this one it should give first item also. 1 second. 4 means it's giving this one. Okay, you yes, first item it's not taking because of 0, 1, 2, 3, and we don't have 4, right? Okay, that's a 0. Second item u. Okay, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and self this 2. Okay, uh, so 2 means 0, 1, 2 I. So here I have 10 mistake. So previously I told you, right, Madhu. from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one. From this one, here we use uh, -1. Uh, Previously, I told that is different. This one -3 and -4. Okay, and -5. Okay, from left to right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From right to left, -1, -2, -3. Remember this point. Previously, I told wrong. Okay, this is the correct way. Okay, now we can use uh, -5. Sorry, not -5, -1. So, now we are going to throw UI myself. UI myself. This is okay. So we can change like this the data. So again, dbt. So what is this? My list model that is going to create again we with the Snowflake. Okay, my list model like this changes. So it is created. Okay, so this is UI myself. Okay, so this is one type list model. So we have others. Okay, if else statement. Okay, this is, let me explain. So I'm taking one temperature dot SQL model. Take creating file and models, create file. Okay, temperature model dot SQL. So now open this one, set. So this is case statement we told it. Same SQL code only. So we are combining. So not exact Python code. So those are Jinja templates. Okay, we are combining SQL code with Jinja templates. So this is code is what is a code user like comparing Jinja code with SQL. Okay, so this is like a case statement. Simply I'll explain. So I'm setting the temperature 80. Okay, select. First, it's going to select on a day like this, I shall like. Then it will concat with case when temperature is greater than. Then it's going to print a refresh mango sherbet, else a decant chocolate ice cream, and as a message. It means the temperature greater than, it's going to print this one. If the temperature is like less than 70, okay, or 70 or 7 less than 70, it's going to print this one. Okay, save. So see, check the preview. First, it's going to print. You have the greater than 80, right? So on a day like this one. On a day like this, I should like a refreshing mango server. Okay, this is the fixed one. So after that, I'm using concat depend on the temperature. Okay, now I'm changing the temperature to 70. It's like a refreshing mango server. Again, click the preview. So this one, chocolate ice cream, because of the temperature is 70, not a greater than 70. Even it will take, if the temperature only the greater than, it will give, even if it is a 69, A, it will throw the this region chocolate ice cream. Now if we going to use greater than or equal, then it will consider the 70. Okay, you can change. This is temperature always going to change. So this is going to fix. But if you want, you can change also. Okay, not only 70, you can put 50 or 70 like that. Same thing. It's going to create a message. Uh, Snowflake. Okay, dbt runs in the command. If I have to select where is temperature, this one. Okay, this is temperature model. Okay, this one. For this code, we no need to type. That's why I'm copy and pasting. So for that incremental snapshots, we need to type only. Then only we will get one idea. Okay. So same thing. Okay. Flavors model that SQL. See. Again, I'll create one more last model. Okay. Create. Copy the code. Select this one. Again, I'm using set flavors. As giving the values chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. Select today I want to chocolate ice cream as a message. Okay. Then so I'm using curly and percentage for a flavor in. Okay. In flavors one column. Okay. So again curly percentage curly. Okay. So I'm union all. I'm doing union all. Select today I want to flavor of ice cream as a message. Okay. So again I'm using end for. Okay, end for. So in the preview you will get one idea. We'll explain. See, first one today I want to chocolate ice cream. Okay, this one. Next one today I want to vanilla ice cream, and today I want to strawberry ice cream. So why vanilla? Why strawberry means? So this is already we mentioned chocolate ice cream. Okay, so I'm using one column, one column. Okay, it will taking vanilla and strawberry. Suppose I'm using here two. See, the preview for flavors in flavor 2. Okay, it will take only chocolate. This is fixed one. Today I want chocolate ice cream, that is fixed one. So I'm giving 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2, strawberry. Today I want strawberry ice cream, like that. Suppose I give 0, see. So again it's going to be 4 lines now. 4 lines. See. So this is today I want to chocolate ice cream. First one, fixed one. Again it repeated. Today I want to chocolate ice cream because we have mentioned 0 here. So 0, 1, 2 again vanilla ice cream, again strawberry ice cream. Like that it's going to show. Suppose if I try to use -1, check the previews. So it giving only today I want chocolate ice cream, that fixed one. From the last -1, strawberry. Okay. So this is the using of this one. Now try to create 0. Save. Now run ppt run. So this is one type of Jinja compile code. So again, it's model flavors. Okay, this one. Okay, 4 lines. See the code of which the code is running. You can observe here. So we are set flavors. We are assigning 3 values: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. So first I'm selecting today I want chocolate ice cream. So as a message, this is common thing. So after this one. So again for using for and flavor in flavors. Then after that what it should going to print. Okay. 0 colon. So I'm using union all. Okay. Select today I want to flavor. Okay, ice cream. So flavor it means chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. So as per this requirement, I'm using union. Okay, so first it will run this one. Then it going to use uninal. So today I want to flavor in ice cream. Then it will go to this value 0. Okay, 0 means chocolate. Okay, and then again it will continue. We are using uninal and it's going to continue end for. We use it end for, right? It's going to end for strawberry. First chocolate, then vanilla, then strawberry, like that. End for. So if I use 2, so it going to amount of chocolate this week going to print, then urinal, it will going to flavor, it going to read 2, okay, it will take the strawberry only, and after end for. If there are any other values, it's going to give those values also. Until what are the suppose we have any other flavors, it's going to give. I'm using -1 here, okay. Then it's going to print this one. Then again, uninal. It will take flavor -1 from background -1, but it won't go to from strawberry, vanilla, chocolate like that. It will go only -1, then it will go to end for like that only. So from start to it will go move on to forward, but when we given minus, it will give in the only that one. This one, suppose if I give -2, so see it will give the, see, -1 -2. Now it will give the vanilla and strawberry both, okay. Vanilla and strawberry, it give the both minus, it will take -2. So if I give end value, it giving only 2, and -3, it will give this one. Okay, so this is 0. If you give 0, it will give 4 values. Okay, so this is usually Jinja templates. Okay, we're going to use in the DBT, but if you try to just work on this curly percentage and set flavor, then you will get one idea. Okay, so these are Jinja. Okay, and next, what are the concepts we have? Okay, this is the last one, right? Okay, we don't have anything. This is for loop for loop. Okay, last one. Next, we have macros. Okay, snapshots and hooks. Okay, these three only, and this one. So this is normal, just one normal folder only. Packages already we DBT utilities we use it like that. Okay, then CI/CD, macros, snapshot, hooks, and CI/CD. So this concept we have. Okay, okay, clear. And then tomorrow we will collect again 7 a.m. Okay, fine. So anybody have any doubt? Okay, take it in the session. Clear, right?
Yeah, Mazur, like, can we connect today or tomorrow for some time?
Okay, for interview, like you are asking, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I will let you know. Okay, when you free, Mahesh, today? Why? What is your free time?
yeah. I'm available all the time. You can schedule
Okay,
anytime. I can plan.
okay, I will ping you. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, okay, Chandra. Okay, Sandeep. Okay, doubts ఏమైనా ఉంటే
Yeah,
పింగ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా?
okay.
జస్ట్ అది జింజా అనేది అలానే ఉంటుంది. మనం ఎక్కువ ఇంక్రిమెంటల్ వీటిపైన కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా?
Bro,
ఓకే.
11 o'clock. Okay.
ఓకే, ఓకే, ఉంది. ఎంటర్ అయింది. జస్ట్ జింజా
Okay.
పైన కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తే అది కూడా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే,
Sure.
ఓకే.